Okay, this is how we're going to use the chunking method for an addition strategy. Again, it's a mental math strategy that we teach to help students add these numbers easily in their head. So this is the chunking method using decimals. Okay, so if I have a number like this, 24 and 5/10 plus 17 and 4/10, like that, we can still use the chunking piece. So we take the highest number first, we'd write that below, 2, 24 and 5/10, but we take each one of the place values and break that down. So we take you go the highest to the lowest, so this would be 10. Okay, so we go 24 and 5/10 plus 10, which would give us 34 and 5/10, so we leave that there. Okay, then we move on, we write this underneath. Now we have 34 and 5/10, plus we take the ones, which is the next place value, plus 7. Okay, when we add that together, that's 41 and 5/10. The 5/10 is still there. Okay, perfect. So we take 41 and 5/10, then we add 4/10 to it. Now this is important because I have to correct the students often. I want you to put a 0 to indicate the placeholder that there is no whole numbers here. Plus 4/10, or 0 and 4/10, just like that. We add those together for a grand total of 41 and, because we just add the tenths, 9/10. Okay, sounds good. So if we have even larger numbers, because sometimes that happens, 213 and 5/10 plus 74 and 25/100. Okay, we can still use the same chunking method. Again, it's greatest to least place value, so we always start with the largest. So 213 and 5/10 plus, there is no hundreds, so we don't have to worry about that. We just go right to the tenths. This is plus 70. Okay, so now you have 283 and 5/10 because we just added the 70 to it. Okay, perfect. Cross it off. I teach the students to cross it off when we do it. Now we are going to go to the next place values, which is the 1. So we take that 283 and 5/10 plus 4. Okay, so of course this is the place value of 1. Look at the place value here. So this is actually 287 and 5/10. Then we take the second one, and then we add the next place value. Okay, because we had the 5/10, so the place value over here is 0 and 2/10. So now we're up to 287 and 7/10 because we added that 2/10, right? And so we'll cross that off because we've done that. That's the third chunk. And the last chunk is adding the hundreds. Okay, so we take 287 and 7/10. You can see that down there, like that. And then we go plus 0 and 5/100, add that up. So we now have 287 and 75/100 as our total answer. And that's how you use the chunking method to add with decimal numbers. Thanks for watching.